Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today, we want to look at some last digits of numbers, and the functions we are going to use will be the right and the sum product. In doing this, what it means is that we are summing the last digits. We will be summing for 32, we'll be summing the 2 to 9, 3. So we want to sum only the last digits. To do that, we introduce our equal sign. We use the right, it will pop up, we select. So we select the range because we are summing the last digit, so we select a range. Then we close our parentheses. Now, if you press on the key F9, this is how it will look like as we have here. So you will see that we have all the last digits in the formula bar, so you can see 2, 9, 3, 6, 6, 4 up to the 52. So it's showing the last digits. Now they will introduce the sum product. So we are saying it should sum the last digits. So sum product. Then we close the parentheses. Note that what we saw earlier on was in a form of a text. You can see, so what it means that the numbers there are text. What it means is that if we should continue, the answer we are going to get will be a 0. But to avoid this, we'll introduce to negation, so that because right as a function in Excel we really introduce the outcome as a text, but now we want it as a value, so we introduce two negative signs, sum product, then we enter, voila. There you see it has summed all the last digits for these numbers, and the total is 64. For you to see that it's really working, let me change the first digit to, let's say, 30. You will see that the number will reduce by 2. There you see, so we have 62. Should I also change the last to, let's say, 5? You will see that it will increase by the difference, which will be the 3, so we will have 65. This is how smart you can really use Excel to sum the last digits of numbers. Thank you for following us on YouTube Consult, and continue to follow us. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.